Hello, and thanks for checking out Level. Today we're going to talk about services and how from within Level we can manage services remotely on a device. So I'm going to come into this HRO1 device and click into it. And here under the Manage section, there is a link called Services. And if we click that, this will take us to the list of services that are on the machine. Now, a few things to point out on this list is first, we have the ability to search. So it's very easy for us to filter without having to hunt. We can also multi-select. So if we need to start or stop many services at once, we can do that here. We can also just select on one and we can change the startup type. So we can change it to disabled, manual, automatic, or delayed start. These columns are sortable. So if you click on them, you can sort them. And over here in the right, we have options for other columns that can be added. I also want to point out these three dots at the right of the row. We can do some actions on the service in that row. So that's the first way we can access services. Let's go back to devices. And from here, I am now going to click on the remote control link. This will open a remote control session. Okay, good. Now that we're remoted in, well, over on the far right, we see that there is an option here called services. And if we click this, it will pop out a window where we can view the services very similarly to what we were just looking at, where we can sort this by status. We can see what's running. We can also search. Let's go ahead and just stop a service. We'll stop the print spooler. All right, it's stopped. Now if we come over here on this side, well, it says it's running, but let's refresh the page here. It's not real time. There we go. Now we can see that it's stopped. I'll go ahead and start it again. And if we refresh, there we go. We see it's running. So that's it. That's services. We hope this was informative for you, and we'd like to thank you for choosing Level.